everyone. So I've been gone for a long time, as most of you know. A lot of personal things got in the way. But just been really busy. I'm actually driving home from work right now, and I've been feeling really stuffy and had a tickle in my nose all day, and I've been sneezing a lot, but not like having fits. So I thought I would bless you all with a video of me. Happy New Year. And these false starts are like killing me. I hope you all can hear me, because it's like really hard. It tickles. It's like I wanted to do a talkie, but my nose just tickles so bad. I don't know if I could. It's like stuck. My eyes are like watering. It tickles. I don't know if I'm getting a cold if it's just bad allergies. But my nose has been like stuffy. This is actually like my first like fit. Otherwise it's been like just a sneeze here or there. False starts. Alright, well, I'm almost home. So, see you guys later.